Hello everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Today I'm super happy to bring you another review of a fruit that I found at my local Sam's store yesterday. And I'm excited because I had heard about these kiwi berries, but I've never tried them and I've never seen them. So I was so excited. These are 16 ounces and I think it was about $4, about 2-3 cents short. But I was so tempted yesterday to give these a try. But I was like, nope, I'm gonna wait and I'm gonna share this with my YouTube family and I'm gonna eat it. So I'm gonna tell you exactly how they taste. So basically I did go ahead and cut two open here. And, but before I even go into this, I just wanna show you that when you buy or when you get these, they're gonna have a little stem here and the opposite side is gonna have this fuzzy thing, whatever it is. All right, so what I did was I just pinched that and I took the tip off as well and then I washed them. All right, so one thing is I don't feel comfortable just taking them out of the container and eating them. So let's go ahead. I'm going to cut this and then I'm just going to show you again a very close up of how that looks. And I think these resemble those bigger kiwis and they are just so gorgeous. They're so cute, so cute. And you're supposed to take the whole thing and you're supposed to pop it in your mouth. Now before I eat them, because I don't want to eat with my mouth full, I just wanted to go over, for those people that don't know, there are three varieties of kiwis. All right, we've got the green one that has the, the fuzzy skin, that they're way big. It has the green flesh inside, just like these. And then we have the ones that are golden in color, so they're golden kiwi berries, golden kiwis, and those also taste really good. I had tried them last year and I didn't think that I needed to do a review on it, but if you haven't seen them and you want me to do a review, then comment on the comment section below and let me know. And then the kiwi berries. All right, so now the kiwi berries itself has between 3 to 4 different varieties of these kiwis. So now these are only available around late summer, beginning mid-September, beginning of October. Now, depending on what variety of kiwi berry you got, it depends on what the shelf life is going to be. So they start off 2 to 4 weeks from the time they're harvested. All right, so it just depends. So they're not on the shelf for a very long time. So I probably just got them and I'm sure next week or the week after I wouldn't have found it in Sam's. Now these are indigenous to New Zealand, Chile, and Geneva, and everywhere they grow different types of them. All right, they're ripe when you feel them, that when you see that they have. All right, so let's grab, I think mine, all of them are ripe. Okay, so this one here, you see how we've got this where it's completely green, and then you've got this where it looks almost like a grape. It's got this purple coloring to it. This means that now they're getting sweeter and they're ready to eat. Also, I really wanted to talk about the benefits of the kiwi itself. Has a lot of benefits. You should be including that in your diet, 1 to 2 a day. But as far as these, also they are they make you sleep better. They've done studies where people eat 1 to 2 a day and they swear by that they can get a really good night's sleep. So if you're one that has can't sleep, you can try something natural and try those. Try and add that 1 or 2 to your diet. They are very high in vitamin C, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, zinc, and potassium. These don't have any fat in there, and this is all that information that I have, but you might want to check out other videos to see if they have more information if you didn't find the information that you were looking for in this video, but I think I got everything. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a big one here. So I'm going to do this one. Again, I've cleaned both parts of it. It's got purple. Wow, these are really good. I could eat these. These are really good. The outside skin is smooth, but it resembles, like, how you put a grape in your mouth, in one of those grapes that the skin is very crispy. The inside is nice and soft and it tastes completely like a kiwi. Also the seeds, when you bite into it, you can also bite the seeds also. So these are super delicious. Like, I think it could be addicting. It could just be sitting there and snacking on these. And I think as far as having diabetes, I feel that these are not as sweet as grapes, because when I have grapes, my sugar skyrockets. But I think I could really snack on these and my sugar would not go very high compared to eating grapes. One very important thing that I forgot was that they have found people that are allergic to kiwi. So before you eat a whole bunch, just put one in your mouth, see how it goes, because if you're allergic to it, you'll get like it'll be like a tingly. And now my daughter Sakina is allergic to it, so I remembered because she had a bite of it yesterday and she's like, Mom, I felt something, and then so she didn't have another one. But it gives you a tingly sensation in your mouth, and it also makes it very itchy. And then on the back of your throat, you feel like you need to cough. So if you're allergic to these, just be careful. This is one fruit that people have shown that they're allergic to it. So with all that said, I hope you guys can find this. I hope you can try these. And every time I see a new fruit, I'm going to grab it. I'm going to bring it home and I'm going to talk about it, because I want you all to try. You know, there's so many fruits out there, so many benefits, and such a variety of things that you can have. So thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Hope you can join me here next time with another great video. Remember, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. You're my family. You're my YouTube family. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, I have over 750 videos on YouTube. Check them out. Subscribe. Hit the bell. So you don't miss out on any videos that are uploaded. You'll just get a notification from YouTube. And I hope I see you here with another great video.